Our next activity is again the ice cream stick, and see, the ice cream stick is just closing its eyes. This one is so good and it's very easy, best suitable for the kids between the age group of 4 to 6. I'm using the sketch pens, you can use the pencil ones. See how we are adding the further details. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Now it's time to trace down the dino. Dinos were the creatures that existed in the earth past hundreds of the years ago, but today they don't exist on this earth. So today we are going to trace it down in just few easy simple steps. Then we are filling it with this green color. You can use any other color. I have here used the sketch pens. You can use the wax colors or you can use the pencil ones. This one is very good and it's best suitable for the small kids. Just pause the video and follow each step, and don't forget to add the details like I am doing here. Our next drawing is best suitable for the kindergarten students. Yes, we are tracing down a cupcake, and see, its difficulty level is very simple and very easy. Just give it a try. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 5 to 6.